This amazing 2-parcel lot has a lot to offer. Main home has engineered septic, huge 3-room shop with car garage that has its own electric meter. Home has several outdoor sitting areas, porches around the home. New wood-style laminate flooring is getting installed in the living room and master. Home has a handicap-able bathroom and shower. An enormous hallway butler pantry-style laundry room and storage prep area is off the kitchen, and out the dining room is a dog kennel, huge fenced garden and an enormous grass lawn. This home has an RV storage shed, wood shed, shop, several well house buildings and several fruit trees. Could be a great level property for animal/hobby farm. Please check out the virtual tour to walk through the interactive links to explore the home and property.